Good morning. Here we are. It's Saturday morning. We're in the gym for our ab burner routine. The ab burner routine is 15 1-minute core exercises. It's a Pilates routine. And anyway, I hit it the first time. I took 2 weeks off and I hit it last week and was able to finish all 15 at 1 minute. So while they were, a couple of them were intense, actually an extra one was intense, the last V-sit. I was having a hard time getting up on those, so we'll see if we're a little bit better off this week. So probably take a couple more weeks to get back into it. So anyway, that's what we've got. We've got the ab burner, and then we've got the walk afterwards. Not sure if I'm gonna jog or not, but we'll see once I hit the pavement. Can't stand it. Actually, it takes less time if I jog, so maybe I'll do that. We'll see. So anyway, this is Sojourner Vision. Welcome to the channel, and I'm Russell. So let's get this longevity training in so we can meet age with grace, folks. Let's hit it. All right, let's do it. All right, so that ends the old Saturday ab burner, and it also ends our week 2 of cycle 4 of 2026. Yeah, fumbling all around, I guess because I'm a little bit out of breath from the jog. So anyway, yeah, no, the ab burner went well. Still some intensity there. But I was able to finish the 99s, hundreds, 99s, finished the hundreds, and also finished the lower lift. And the roll-ups and V-sits were not quite as intense as they were last week. So yeah, not bad at all. So yeah, I'm glad I finished it, glad it's still at a minute. So anyway, yeah, that went well. The old walk jog, I forgot even though I thought I hit the button when I left, it didn't start, and I didn't start it till probably, I don't know, I was out on the road, you know, a couple hundred yards. So yeah, so got that started. Then I was kind of out of sync, but still did 3 jogs. But the last jog was long, and it got it. I think we got down to 11:45, so that's not bad. It was a fairly slow pace, so because I jogged so much there at the end, it brought it down. So it wasn't like it was a quick run or fast jog for each split. It was kind of, well, I wouldn't call it an easy jog, but it wasn't stretching them out kind of jog. So anyway, still happy to have gotten that much in. Got a good cardio, as you can tell, and good respiratory. So that's always good, get those lungs to work. So anyway, yeah, so we're done with Saturday. We will be on to week 3 on Monday. Monday will be lower body unless it gets switched up on me. So looking forward to that, whatever it is, lunges, squats, whatever we get. So I'm over all the soreness. I got a little bit of chest soreness left from Tuesday, but other than that, my shoulder's doing pretty good. Back is doing good, everything's feeling pretty good, so I'm ready for Monday. So we'll have a rest day tomorrow. I'll go out on my walk. It'll just be a walk only, pretty leisurely. So same distance though, 1.7 miles or so. So anyway, gonna wrap this up now. Gonna head around in the house, do all things, get my coffee, and wait for the sun to come up and take a look at the gorgeousness, the beautiful sunrise. So anyway, you guys have a great weekend. Get some longevity training in so you can meet age with grace, folks. Go do it. This is Sojourner Vision. Be safe. See ya. Have a great weekend.